Yes, sir.
Okay, so try out number 341. It's a snap sum, snap 2004. So Ishika, you can give a try once again. Okay, in the morning we stopped over here. So let me tell you this. What is a 27 quarts? Okay, so 27 quarts is a type of capacity. Okay, just like 24 or 27 liters, meter cube, gallons. So 27 quarts is also a capacity. Okay, so a 27 quarts capacity car radiator is filled with 18% alcohol solution. How many quarts be drained and then replaced by 90% alcohol solution for the resulting solution to contain 42% alcohol? Can you try this quickly for 2 minutes? Hello? Yes? Okay.
So I can't understand this how to
Okay.
approach.
Okay. I will call you after 10:30 p.m. Okay. I am in a class now. Okay. Yeah. 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 Yo, one second. Just my charger is not charging. I don't know why. What is happening? Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Is it done? 341.
Hello. Sir,
Yeah. Can you
can you
hear me?
hear me?
Oh, one second. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Is it done?
No, no, I can't find like how to approach. I can't understand.
Okay.
So I don't
Ishika,
understand the problem.
Yes, sir.
are you able to do it?
No.
Okay. I'm doing it. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, this is the reason why I thought of doing R.S Agarwal. Okay, there are certain sums, some varieties are there, okay, which we must encounter. Okay, although you have practiced from Arun Sharma, okay, but still there are some sums in R.S Agarwal which are quite unique. Okay, so although R.S Agarwal is considered quite inferior to Arun Sharma because Arun Sharma is only for cat, okay, cat, zat, and etc. in math. But there are some sums in R.S Agarwal which is important to know that will help us in building the stage for Arun Sharma. Okay, so a 27 quarts capacity car is filled with 18% alcohol solution. How many quarts be drained? Okay, so I am recording this solution, this class, so no need to worry. Okay, so 27 quarts capacity car is filled with 18% alcohol solution. How many quarts be drained and then be replaced by a 90% alcohol solution for the resulting mixture to contain 42% alcohol? Okay, now you see 18% alcohol means what? 27 quarts capacity. So the car radiator's capacity is 27 quarts, in which 18% is alcohol. How many quarts we drained? So let x quarts be drained. Okay. So what is happening? You see 27 minus x. Okay. 27 quarts was there, out of which x quarts has been removed. Okay, and this contained 18% of alcohol. So x quarts is removed and that same amount of 90% alcohol solution is added, so that the resultant mixture has 42% alcohol. Now how to frame this thing in an equation form? So 27 minus x, 18% of this, right? 18% of this 27 minus x. Why 27 minus x? That is the remaining. So x quarts has been removed. So what is the remaining now? 27 minus x. How much alcohol is present in the 27 minus x? 18%, right? Plus, you see x quarts has been removed. So if x quarts is removed and replaced by same amount of 90% alcohol, okay, so x amount of solution has been added which has 90% alcohol. Okay, now this is equals to what? The resultant mixture has 42% alcohol. That means this is equals to 42 by 100 of what? See, 27 minus x. So x was removed and x is replaced, right? X amount of this particular solution is removed and x amount of this particular solution is added. So as a whole, the total amount still remains 27 quarts, right? As a whole, the total still remains 27 hertz. So now we have to just solve it. Okay, this solution will be little, I mean, it will involve some work. Okay, so see, if I divide it by, if I do cutting, if I convert it to lowest term, that will be more work for me. So rather, if I multiply, because I see that the denominator is 100, okay, so it will be easy for me to calculate, and this I have to calculate. Okay, and this calculation I have to do. Okay, 9 quarts. The answer is B9. Did you get this equation? Do you understand this sum? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ishika?
Sir, I am solving it.
No, no. Did you understand the equation? This equation is important. I know you can solve it very easily. Okay, but did you understand
Yes,
how
sir.
this equation? Okay, X amount was removed and then X amount was added. But what was removed contained 18% alcohol and what is added contains 80 and 90% alcohol. Okay, so 27 minus X, okay, it contains 18% alcohol. What is 27 minus X? The remaining solution. Okay, it contains 18% alcohol and then X amount has been added which contains 90% alcohol. So what extra alcohol has been added? 90% of X, and that is equals to giving that equals to what? That is equals to 42% alcohol. So this 27 quarts remains the constant because from 27 you have removed X and then you have added X. So the total amount still remains 27. Okay, so of this 27, 42% is alcohol. So this is the equation, and if you solve it you get 9, right? Yeah, so after you're done with copying, let me know.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, my answer is not coming.
Yeah, you can check it from here. I've done the calculation in detail. Okay, maybe you have done some calculation mistake because this particular sum is little calculation intensive. Yeah, you can copy this one, Ishika. It is simple. See, all you need to do is to frame the equation, okay, and then solving the. I mean, you can try it out later also because it is just finding out x, doing little bit of algebra, finding out x. Should we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please try out the upper one, 340. Ishika, are you okay to move to the next one? You can for now you can copy this.
I,
Huh.
sir, can you please show me the solution of
Yeah,
341?
yeah. Here it is. Here it is. I'm sending this in the group. Okay. Okay, in the meantime, let's try out question number 340. It's always good. I've already shared the book. Always keep the book open in front of you. Okay, that will be easy for you. Try to join from laptop always, and always keep the book open. And you will not have to wait for me. Number 340 is quite easy. Please try it out. Try out number 340. Ishika, I've sent the solution in the group. Okay, you can copy it from there, and it
Yes,
will
sir.
be,
I
yeah,
have copied.
yeah. And anyways, this session is recorded. You can copy it later. You can understand and copy it later. Okay. For now, you just focus on the sum. That will be best. Okay. So number 340, please try out. Try for this should be done in 1 minute. How many liters of a 30% alcohol solution should be added to 40 liters of a 60% alcohol solution to prepare a 50% solution? Very simple. Should I do it?
Yes, sir.
Niladri?
So 1 minute. I'm doing it.
Sure. It is a one line sum. Ishika.
Sir, I have.
Hmm? Should I do it, Gayatri? Okay, let me start. So you continue, Gayatri, if you are still doing it, no issues. So how many liters of a 30% alcohol solution? So x liters. Okay, 30% alcohol solution. So this particular x liters of solution contains 30% alcohol, should be added to 40 liters. So when this x liter is added to 40 liters, it becomes 40 plus x. This 40 liters contains 60% of alcohol solution to prepare a 50 liter solution. Okay, so let x liter of 30% alcohol solution be taken. Okay, so that means what is the amount of alcohol added? What is the amount of alcohol added? 30% of x liter, right? That means 0.3x liters of alcohol has been added. Where? On this 40 liters, right? Now in 40 liters, okay, what is the amount of alcohol present? 60%. So that means 24 liters. Okay, 24 liters of alcohol is present. Now when I'm adding this x liters into this 40 liters of 60% alcohol solution, so what is the total amount of alcohol I got? 0.3x plus 24, right? 0.3x plus 24, and this is the total amount of alcohol that is present in where? It is present in 40 plus x liters of solution. Why? Because earlier 40 liters was there, now x liter has been added. So what is the total amount of the solution? 40 plus x. Now 40 plus x, this particular amount of solution contains how much alcohol now? 50%. So that means this is 50% of 40 plus x. Did you understand this part?
Yes, sir. I did the thing. I did not do 40 plus 6. I was doing 40 into 50 by 100.
No,
So
no,
there I had done
because
a mistake.
x liters has been added to 40 liters, so it becomes 40 plus x.
Yeah, I understood the question. I thought the total volume is 40 liters. That is where I made the mistake.
So can we take 100 as a whole?
100 as a whole means what? What whole? Which one? Like
Sir, X liter you took, so
mhm.
can I take 100 liter of 30%
Yes, you
instead
can.
of X?
You can try it out with 100. So let us try it with 100. So if I take 100
Okay,
liters of,
once you
wait, let me add. Putting. Yes, so if you want to take 100, okay, then so 100 liter of 30% solution. So what is the alcohol added? 30 liters. Okay, now in 40 liters, what is the amount of alcohol? 24 liters. Okay, 24 liters. Okay, so alcohol is 30 liter in this 100 liter of 30% solution, and in 40 liters it is 24 liter. So 30 plus 24, okay, is equals to okay, fine. So what is the total alcohol? 54 liter, right? Now 40 liter was already there I added 100 liters, so my total becomes 140 liter. So percentage of alcohol is how much? 54 divided by 140 into 100. Okay, so that is going to give me 540 by 14. Okay, now this 540 by 14 is equivalent to 50%. Now is equivalent to 50%. So 1 is equivalent to 50 by 540 into 14, and I took 100 liters. So 100 liters is equivalent to 540 into 14. So it's coming a very high value. Okay, I don't think this can be done by 100. No, I don't think this can be done by 100. Okay, I mean, we will have to think about it. Okay, with 100 this is coming a high value. If I take 100 liter of 30% solution is taken, maybe we can try with 10 liters. Okay, 10 can be 10 can be an option. So if I take 10, we can try it with 10. Okay, why 10? Because 40 liter is the solution that is given over here, and to prepare 50% solution, 50% alcohol. Okay, so uh, if I take 10 liters of 3 liters, 40 liters is already 624 liters, so total alcohol is 27 liters. Okay, now 27 divided by coming around 9.25 liters. No. I think X is the easiest way to do this. Okay, there is no need to go for 100 rule for this. Okay, because what has been asked is how many liters, right? So that if we take as X, then we can directly find out. Otherwise, with 10 and 100, it is becoming complicated. Is that okay, Ishika? We can do it with X only. With X, it is easy. Wait, it got hung. Yeah, please try out 328. Question number 328. Okay, did you copy this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can try out 328. Wait, I'm sending this question because I'll have to open WBCS question paper. Supratim, what was the last sum we did? That sphere one, right? Which question number was it? Yeah,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
130. No, কত যেন কত number question?
ওই তো 133
Okay, circle passes. Okay. No, this how many bullets can be made out on? Yeah, we did.
আচ্ছা ওই মোল্ড করে যেটা করা হতে পারে না এক সেকেন্ড উপরে তুলুন এক সেকেন্ড উপরে তুলুন না মানে 133 পরের অঙ্কটা দেখান একবার এই যে এই অঙ্কটা করবো সেই অঙ্কটা
করো
দেয়
করো করো।
হুম।
এসামটা আমি একটা স্ক্রিনশট পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ, এটা তুমি মানে নিজের স্পিডে ট্রাই করো, তারপরে আমি ফিরে এসে এটা সলভ করছি। দেখো, হাউ মেনি bullets can be made out of a lead cylinder? Okay, having radius this, each bullet having this much diameter. Okay, so this is a concept of তোমার melting. Okay, and whenever melting comes into picture, then that means volume. ঠিক আছে? Okay, so what about 328? See, these are the sums involving percentage and mixture. Okay, are you able to do, Ishika, Niladri?
Sir, I did.
What is the answer?
Sir, 40%, 40 gram of gold is coming. Then the question is asked that how much gold should be added to the alloy so that the percentage of gold is increased to 90. So, in that 40 gram, we will add 90 by 100.
Why did you get 40?
Sir, because I did.
Okay, yeah, so alloy of gold and silver weighs 50 gram, right? So out of which gold is 80%. So 80% gold means 40 gram is gold. Yes, and 10 gram is silver. Okay, how much gold should be added? So let us take x gram of gold, okay, to the alloy. So that means 50 plus x. Okay, now 90% of this 50 plus x is equal to the total amount of gold. What is the initial amount of gold that you got? 40. In that you added x amount, so 40 plus x is equals to 90 by 100 into 50 plus x
90 by 100
into 50 plus x. Niladri, are you able to do this?
No, sir.
Okay, see, I'll tell you. uh, See, what is happening in this type of sums is there are two mixtures, right? Two alloys, you can say, in which in one particular alloy. So let me help you visualize this thing. Okay, so this is one alloy. Okay, alloy 1. Here there is, say for example, 40% gold, okay, and rest is silver, and this particular alloy is of a specific let me take the example of this sum only.
Sir, answer is 50.
50 is the right answer. Yes, so an alloy of gold and silver contains 50 gram. Okay, so this particular alloy, it is 50 gram, total mass is 50 gram, right? In this 80% is gold. Okay, so 80% is gold. Okay, if 80% is gold, then what is the amount of gold? 40 gram, right? Because if
Yeah,
you do 80% of 50, you will get 40 gram. 40 gram is gold, rest is silver. Now there is how much gold should be added to the alloy. Now in this particular amount only, in this particular alloy only, x gram of gold is added, pure gold. So when x gram of gold comes over here, if this is added, x gram of gold comes over here, what is the total amount of the alloy becomes? Tell me. Total mass of the alloy. Earlier it was 50.
50 plus x.
So now it becomes 50 plus x. This is the total mass of the alloy. But what is the amount of gold now? Earlier it was 40 gram. Now x gram came in, right?
Yes.
But what is the question? This is the question. What is the percentage of gold? Okay, now the
90.
percentage of gold is 90. That is also given. Okay, that is also given. No, that is not the question. So 90% is gold. So now what is my unknown? X. Now how can I relate this, and this? 90% of what is the total mass of the alloy?
50 plus
50 plus x. That is equals to what? 40 plus x. Such a simple thing. When you solve it, you get 50. Yeah, very good, Ishika. Did you understand it?
Yes.
Copy this, okay, quickly, and then we'll move on to the next one. In the meantime, let me. হ্যাঁ সুপ্রতিম, এটা হয়েছে? এটা করবো সুপ্রতিম? এনিওয়েজ আনসার চেক করার জন্য করতেই হবে। How many bullets can be made out of a lead cylinder 56 centimeter high, having a radius of this? Okay, so bullets. So Supratim, can you hear me? I'm not able to hear you.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, okay.
স্যার এখানে স্যার সিলিন্ডার এটা তো হচ্ছে 4/পাই আর
পাই আর স্কয়ার h।
পাই আর স্কয়ার এইচ নেব তো
হ্যাঁ
এটা।
হ্যাঁ, সিলিন্ডারের ভলিউমটা পাই আর স্কয়ার h।
আর তাহলে বুলেটেরটা কত নেব?
বুলেট হচ্ছে স্পিয়ার, বুলেট গোল গোল হয়, ঠিক আছে? 4/3 পাই আর
গোলই
কিউব।
নেব।
4/3 পাই আর কিউব, ঠিক আছে?
আচ্ছা
4/3 পাই আর কিউব। তাহলে এটা কি করা হবে তোমার? পাই।
ঠিক আছে, ওই স্পিয়ারটা তাহলে 4/3 পাই আর কি ওটা দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে যেটা হবে সেটাই
হ্যাঁ
বেরিয়ে যাবে।
হ্যাঁ, তো এটা ডিভাইড করো। ক্যালকুলেশনটা কিভাবে করছো? পাই আর স্কয়ার
ঠিক আছে।
ইন্টু h, 56 centimeter, divided by 4/3 পাই আর কিউব হচ্ছে 1.5। ঠিক আছে, এটাকে সলভ করতে হবে। এটা 36 হবে, 9 দিয়ে যাবে, 4 9 36, আর হচ্ছে 3 3 9 3 5 এটা হচ্ছে 25 25 4, আর হচ্ছে 3 1 3 5 5 8, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে 2 ইন্টু 56 ইন্টু 2 ইন্টু 2 ইন্টু 2 ইন্টু 8, 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 8 to the 16 16 8 হচ্ছে 16 8 6 48 4, ঠিক আছে? 128 ইন্টু 56, এই তো কাছাকাছি আনসার কি আছে? each bullet having 1.4 pi r cube.
3584 আসছে।
ও গ্রেট, তোমার এসে গেছে, ঠিক আছে। আমার হাসিনি, আমার ভুলভাল আনসার আসছে। ঠিক আছে, তোমার ঠিক আছে। এই ফর্মুলাটাই করেছো তো? ভলিউম অফ দ্য সিলিন্ডার ডিভাইডেড বাই ভলিউম অফ ওয়ান বুলেট, তাই তো?
ভলিউম অফ দ্য সিলিন্ডার ডিভাইডেড বাই ভলিউম অফ স্পিয়ার।
ঠিক আছে। ওকে, এই 154টাও করেছিলাম। দ্য পেরিমিটার অফ অ্যান আইসোসেলেস ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ইজ 32 সেন্টিমিটার।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
এই রোডসেরও অঙ্কটা করলাম না, রেক্ট্যাঙ্গুলার লন।
হ্যাঁ হুম,
তাহলে
এটা
অনেকটা এগিয়ে গেছি।
26 এসেছিল আনসার।
হ্যাঁ, ওকে, এইটাও করেছি সকালে। দ্য নাম্বার অফ সলিড স্পেস
হ্যাঁ
ইচ অফ ডায়ামিটার
161।
165টা করো, এখানেই আমরা লাস্ট আটকেছিলাম। ইফ ইন এ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল অফ বেস দিস দ্য হাইট ইজ ইনক্রিজ,
If
ফাইন্ড
a
বাই হাউ
triangle
মাচ।
of a base
এটা তুমি ইজিলি পারবে, পাঠাচ্ছি ছবিটা। Okay, so which one we were doing? Did I give you anything to do? Oh yes, we did 328, right? Next we are going to do wait, this, so many apps are open now, that is it is getting hung. If R.S Agarwal is open in front of you, can you please do number 314? 314, 314. It is a match sum.
So can you say the question once? I think
Yeah,
it's
I'm
not
saying.
tallying with my 304.
Okay, okay.
স্যার ওটার আনসার 2 হবে।
দেখছি, I've sent you, Nilatri. I've sent in the group. Okay, try out number 314. If in a triangle of base 4 and height 3 centimeter, the height is increased by 3. Find how much the base should be decreased if the new area is twice that of the original triangle. Ishika and Niladri, try out number 314. I have sent it in the group. Okay. So if in a triangle base is Okay, base is, so original area half into base into height, so that is 6. The height infinite triangle of base. Okay, the height is increased by, so what is the new area? New area is twice of the original, that means this half into base b2. Height is increased by 3 centimeter. Height is 6. Okay, 4. Right. If the new area, base should be decreased. Okay, so original base was 0. Answer is 0. D. D answer, Supratim. সুপ্রতিম,
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
বুঝতে পেরেছো? হ্যাঁ, ডি আনসার হবে, কারণ বেসটা
আমি ওই
ফাইনাল
22 এরিয়াটা মানে ওটা খেয়াল
না।
করিনি, তাহলে
এই
12 আছে। ঠিক
হ্যাঁ,
আছে।
এই সিলি মিস্টেক্সগুলো প্রিভেন্ট করো প্লিজ। খুবই সিম্পল। দ্যাট তেরিকা। $166. Okay, Niladri and Ishika, what about 314? Are you able to do it?
Sir, I'll show
Yes,
you
sir,
what
doing.
I
Yeah. Niladri, what are you saying?
I'm solving, sir.
Okay, okay. Yes, Ishika, tell me. Tell me, I'll listen. Tell me.
Sir, I took the income to be rupees X.
Okay.
Then
Then
X plus 200 I did.
1200,
Customer
not
man's
200.
income.
It is 1200.
No, 1200. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then it is said that the rate of tax to be paid is reduced from 12 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
So 12% of X plus 1200 minus 10% of X plus 1200.
No, no. Okay, continue.
Then the value of X came 96.
No, no. See, you're close. Okay, but not completely. Okay, Niladri, you try it. You complete your attempt, and then I will do it.
So it's 6K.
That's right.
So I did by X method only,
Yeah, correct. That's all right.
taking the original income as X.
Exactly. It is correct. Okay, let me do it. Okay, fine. Then you can try out 307. I will not keep you waiting. Wait.
Just tell me the sum I can see from my book. Actually, the numbers are jumbled up
Yes,
from mine. So I
yes.
think I have a different version, so it's not matching.
Hmm.
Just say
300,
the question.
yeah, 300, 307 and 6. But let me open the PDF. Let me open it. Yeah, these two, 307 and 6. These sums are based on growth and depreciation. Okay, so wait, I need to go down. Okay, see, so Shika, we can do it by initial and final method. You remember that initial and final method that day I showed you? You remember?
Yes, sir. The first.
Initial, final. Okay. So, what are the parameters? We have income, tax, and then this is the tax rate, and this is the total tax. Okay. So let the initial income be x, final is x plus 1200. Okay. Tax rate was earlier 12%. Now it is, I think, 10% here. Now, what is the total tax that he used to pay earlier? See, what it is given over here is that he now pays the same amount of tax as before. What is its increased income if 20% of his income is exempted from tax in both the cases? So 20% exemption he has. That means what is the total tax paid? It is 12% of x minus 20% of x. Do you know about tax rates in India? Up to 5 lakh you have tax exemption. So that means if your income is within 5 lakh per annum, you don't have to pay any taxes. You pay taxes above 5 lakh. Okay, so out of his x rupees of income, 20% is non-taxable, only 12% is taxable. Okay, so 12% of x minus 20% of x. Okay, so 12% of x minus 20% of x. Now, so and this one is also same. So what is the amount of tax paid over here? 10% of x plus 12 minus 20% of x plus 12. Okay, so I can just cut it out and I can get 1 by 10. X by 12 taken common, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 5. So 4 by 5. So if I simplify this one a little bit,
That screen is not visible.
screen is not visible. What are you seeing? Oh, why it is, man? Shit. Anyways, the recording is there. Don't worry. It is being recorded. Okay, I'm explaining once again. Let me complete this. Oh, sorry. Instead of 1200, I wrote 12. 6000. See, Shika. Initial and final method. Okay. So initial income is X. Final income is X plus 1200, right? Tax rate. Initial tax rate is 12%. Final tax rate is 10%, right? What is the total tax that he used to pay earlier? 12% of X minus 20% of X. Did you understand this part?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because you see it is given the 20% exemption. That is why subtract 20% and then add tax on that. I get this. Now here also 20% exemption. So this is the total income minus 20% of X plus 12. Okay, I mean 1200. So take X plus 1200 common. Okay, so 10 by 100 is 1 by 10, and 1 minus, and this inner portion becomes 21s are 25s are, so 1 minus 1 by 5, which is 4 by 5, and we get this. Okay, now we have to equate this thing, this one and this one, that is 12 by 100 4x by 5, and x plus 1200 by 10 4 by 5. If we equate both of this and solve, we will get x as 6000. D as the answer. Did you understand? Tell me, Shika. If not, I'll tell again.
No, sir, I understood. Once I do it on my own.
Hmm?
Once I want to do it on my own.
You want to do it on your own? Sure. Definitely. So for now, we can you can try this question number 307. I have sent it. Yeah. Try out number 307 and 6. I have sent it in the group. Let me go back to Supratim. হ্যাঁ সুপ্রতিম, এটা হয়েছে? সুপ্রতিম?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হয়েছে এটা? করছি আমি।
না স্যার, এটা একটু বলুন। মানে জিনিসটা বুঝতে পেরেছি।
Okay. 4 equal squares are cut out of a square, okay, as shown in the diagram. If the perimeter of the original square was 36 centimeter, then the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay. So equal pieces have been cut off. Okay. Equal pieces. Perimeter is 36. So if perimeter is 36, then each one
তাহলে
is
সাইডে হচ্ছে
9.
9 করে।
9 করে, কারণ চারটে সাইড আছে না,
হুম।
চারটে সাইড, 36 divided by 4 is 9.
তাহলে
তো 9
দেন
centimeter।
পেরিমিটার হচ্ছে, তাহলে ওই 4 ইনটু আবার 9 করে 36 বার করে দিলেই বাকিটা থাকবে,
তাহলে
এটাই কি?
এক একটা হচ্ছে 3, হ্যাঁ এক একটা হচ্ছে 3, each one is 3, each one is 3।
স্যার 3 কি করে ধরছে?
এই তো টোটালটা হচ্ছে 9,
আচ্ছা।
তিনটে এক্স আছে, তাহলে 3 হলো এক একটা। এবার কটা সাইড আছে গুনে নাও, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, 36। এই যে 36 ইজ দ্য আনসার, হয়ে গেল।
1 2 3 4
হুম।
প্রত্যেকটা সাইড স্যার 3 করে কেন ধরছেন? কারণ এখানে তো এ তো 9 এসছে।
হ্যাঁ এক একটা সাইড 9, আর এই এক একটা সাইড দেখো এক্স এক্স এক্স, তিনটে ইকুয়াল এক্সে ভাগ করা আছে। 9 টাকা তিনটে ইকুয়াল ছেলের মধ্যে ভাগ করতে গেলে এক একটা কত হবে, 3 টাকা করে না?
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। তাহলে তাহলে 3 3 3 3।
হুম, তাহলে সবকটাই 3 হলো, প্রত্যেকটা পিস 3, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে কটা আছে, 12টা আছে, এরকম 12টা সাইড আছে। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, তাহলে 12 into 3 কত, 36।
স্যার আমি যদি শুধু শেডেড পোর্শনের এটা যদি বাদ দিই,
ওরকম
এখানে
ভাবে বাদ দিতে
12টা
পারবে
সাইড,
না।
এখানে তো 4টে।
দেখো
কেন?
এরিয়া, তুমি এরিয়া বাদ দিচ্ছ, এরিয়া বাদ দিয়ে, এরিয়া থেকে এরিয়া
ও
বাদ দেওয়া যায়,
হ্যাঁ,
এটা পেরিমিটার, এখানে বাদ দেওয়া দেওয়ার কোনো সিন নেই, বুঝতে
এখানে
পেরেছো?
একটা, এখানে স্যার আরেকবার একটু ওই একটা দুটো করে একবার দেখাবেন ওই ফিগারটাতে।
দাঁড়াও, ঠিক আছে, এটা এক্স, এটা এক্স, এটা এক্স, এক্স 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 এক্স
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, বুঝে গেছি বুঝে গেছি।
ঠিক আছে, এবারে টোটালটা হচ্ছে 9, তাহলে এটা কত
হুম
হবে,
হুম
3।
হুম। মানে এই একটা, এইটার 4টে, এইটার 4টে, এইটার 4টে, এইটার 4টে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ রাইট,
বাট
এবার এটা হলো 1
হুম হুম, মানে 4
2
ইন্টু এ করবো, মানে দ্যাট ইজ
3
4 ইন্টু 3
4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12।
1 2 স্যার ও আচ্ছা আপনি ওইটাকে ধরছেন, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, বুঝে গেছি।
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in number 307, rate is not given.
Okay. I'm checking.
So,
এটা করো সুপ্রতিম। Okay. So 307. Are you able to do, Niladri?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
First one is 100 into root 2 minus 1.
100 into root 2 minus 1. That is C. Wait, let me check. C is the answer, that's correct. And 307.
ওটা 6400.
6400. That is 307. B, right? Yes, that's correct. Both of them are correct. Okay, you are correct.
একটাই ফর্মুলার উপর বেস করে হবে না, এই
Hmm.
a is equals to p into 1 plus r by 100
Yes.
over
Yes.
n, ওই একটাই ফর্মুলা।
Right. যে সিনারিওগুলো দিয়েছিলাম সেটার উপরে। Okay. So Ishika, see.
sir, I did it with that method only, but my answer is not coming.
Okay, I'm doing it. Largest factory kept increasing its output by the same, so increasing by the same percentage every year. Find the percentage if it's known that the output is doubled after 2 years. Yes. So A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. Okay. Now see, output is doubled. So that means what is A to P? Okay. So PP gets cancelled out, and okay. So here we have a thing. Square root goes over there, r by 100. So this becomes root 1 and then 100. That's it. This is the simplest sum you can have. Is C, right? Yes. C is the answer. Rishika, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
What was the mistake?
Sir, this sum I did do. I was doing number 307,
Mm-hmm. So 307 also I will
which
do the
rate
same.
was not given.
Oh, okay, okay. See, here rate is not given, but that you have to calculate. The population of a colony was 3600 3 years back. It is 4800 right now. What will be the population 3 years down the line if the rate of growth of the population has been, so rate of growth of the population has been constant over the years and has been compounded annually. Okay, fine. So you see, 3 years back it was this. So if I take the first case, this becomes my principal, this becomes my amount. Okay, so 36,
Yes, sir.
so 4800 6600 into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 3. This is 12 4s, 12 3s. Okay, so 4 by 3 is equals to 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 3. Okay, keep this preserved, don't touch it. Now uh, the question is what will be the population 3 years down the line. Okay, so again I'm going to use the same formula, a is equals to p into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 3. Now what is the amount over here? That is what I have to find out. What is the principal over here? It is 4800. Okay, now this particular thing is already present with me, so I'm just going to put 4 by 3. That is 6400. B is the answer. It's very unique. I mean, not difficult. I mean, unique in the sense unique out of the many sums of video. So this is a past math question, Ishika. Did you understand what I did? See, if you get stuck over here and try to find out the cube root of 4 by 3, then you are gone. Okay, I have not found out the cube root of 1 by 3. I didn't find out rate. Rather, I went on, I just moved on to the next information that is given. Okay, and in the next information, I just substituted the value of 1 by r by 100 whole cube. That's it. And I got the amount. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I did the cube.
Hmm.
That is why my answer was not coming.
How did you do the cube? Tell me.
Sir, I did 1 plus r by 100 three
The
times.
cube root. The cube root is an impossibly, I mean, complicated task. Okay. Cube root has a strange rule.
My answer was also coming. Sir, can you show me the solution
I
box?
have sent it in the group. Can you check it so that I can move on to the next one? I have just sent it in the group. You see, it is in the group.
Yes, sir.
Please try your 258. হ্যাঁ সুপ্রদীপ এটা হয়েছে 179
কোনটা স্যার?
179
আর
যা এটা করতে বললাম তো
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ওটা স্যার এরিয়া অফ দ্য ট্রায়াঙ্গেল।
সে কখন করতে বলেছি ভাই হ্যালো
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আচ্ছা 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 হ্যাঁ আমি একটা ক্লাস করাচ্ছি আমি আপনাকে 11টা নাগাদ ফোন করবো ঠিক আছে
So two vertices of an equilateral triangle are origin মানে বুঝলাম না।
two vertices of an equilateral triangle are origin মানে কোঅর্ডিনেট জিওমেট্রিতে মনে আছে 0,0 থাকতো আর origin and 4,0
হ্যাঁ
what is the area of the triangle ঠিক আছে দেখো মানে দুটো ভার্টিসেস আছে একটা হচ্ছে 0 দেখো এটা একটু কোঅর্ডিনেট জিওমেট্রি টাইপের অঙ্ক ঠিক আছে একটা হচ্ছে অরিজিন একটা ভার্টেক্স হচ্ছে অরিজিন আচ্ছা and the other one is 4,0 সো এইটা হচ্ছে 4,0 কেন না এক্স অ্যাক্সিসটা আছে ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিসটা 0 ওকে এক্স অ্যাক্সিসটা আছে ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিসটা 0 আচ্ছা now what is the area of the triangle so এবার এটা ইকুইল্যাটারাল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল বলেছে এবার এটা কি করা যায় সব 60 ডিগ্রি আচ্ছা দেখো এটা হয়ে গেছে নাও হোয়াট ইজ দিস ইট ইজ 4 ইউনিটস তাই তো 4 ইউনিট লেন্থ আচ্ছা এরিয়া অফ ইকুইল্যাটারাল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল কি আছে √3/4 স্কয়ার
তাহলে চারটে সাইডই আপনার 4 ইউনিট করে।
হ্যাঁ অফকোর্স
হুম
4√3
4√3 ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে সি
আচ্ছা
ইজ দ্য
আচ্ছা
আনসার
বুঝেছি সেটা।
খুব সিম্পল মানে কিচ্ছু নেই অঙ্কটায়
হ্যাঁ 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 শুধু ওটা ধরতে হবে যে বেসটা 4 হবে, মানে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
সাইডগুলো
হ্যাঁ
4 হবে।
মানে এই অঙ্কটা আমি যে ডায়াগ্রামটা বানালাম না সেটাতেও বানানো দরকার ছিল না
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ওকে 180 এ ট্রাই করো 180 ওকে সো নীলাদ্রি অ্যান্ড ইশিকা 258
স্যার আমি এটা তো 10% 5% আর 2% দেওয়া আছে, তো যদি টোটালটাকে আমি এক্স ধরে নিই
আচ্ছা আমি পড়ি একবার অঙ্কটা
তো
আমি পড়ি
সেক্ষেত্রে
আমি কিন্তু একটা বড় অঙ্ক দেখলাম ম্যাথ লেখা আছে দিয়ে দিলাম দেখছি in a factory producing parts of for an automobile the parts manufactured on the shop floor Effective rejection rate. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Tell me, Niladri, what you did. Niladri?
Sir, I took Sir, I took this one as x,
Mm-hmm.
and then I did first x minus 10x by 100. Like that I did, and they deducted to 9x by 10. I did not do like this process, so that is why it became lengthy and the answer did not.
Okay. See, this is called the way of finding out effective interest. In profit and loss chapter, which we will do, however, in class 8-9 level there is a sum effective discount. Okay, say there is a shopkeeper who is giving successive discount, right? First of all, there is a 10% discount, and if you purchase it with credit card, you get another 5% discount. So that is called successive discount. Now, the question is that what is the effective discount? Effective discount means what is that one single discount, if I give, I will get the same amount. So effective discount. So here, three different interest rates are given. Wait, let me. So here, see this big thing, this big paragraph that is given is just to waste the student's time. Okay, I don't even need to know that. All I need to know is this part. Okay. All I need to know is this from here till here. That's it. The upper part is waste. Okay. So if the average student, and since the sum looks so big, that is why most of the students will leave this sum, skip this sum, just by seeing the length of this sum. Okay. So if the average rejection rates at these testing machines during a month are 10%, 5%, and 2% respectively, then what is the effective rejection rate for the whole plant? Okay. So I am taking, let the initial number of pieces, okay, that is passing, that is about to pass through this testing process be P, and A is the number of pieces that I am getting, that is finally passed out. P is the number of pieces that is being transferred to the testing machine, and A is the number of pieces that is going to come out, that is going to finally be passed by the machines. Okay, so what will be that? You see, P into, now see each of these. So what are these percentages? 10%, 5%, 2%. These are the rejection rates, right? So 10%, 5%, 2% are getting rejected one after the other. Then how many are getting selected? 1 minus 10% into 1 minus 5% into 1 minus 2%. Why all multiplied? Because these are all happening successively. In the first machine, 1 minus 10% is getting selected. In the second machine, 1 minus 5% is getting selected. In the third machine, 1 minus 2% is getting selected. Did you get my point? Why I have written this equation? This is the condition in the first machine. This is the condition in the second machine. This is the condition in the third machine. In the first machine, P number of articles are inserted, out of which 10% are rejected, and 1 minus 10 by 100 number of articles are passed. They are passed to the next second machine. There 5% are rejected. How many are coming out? 1 minus 5%. That means 95% are coming out. Out of those, whatever remaining, that is passing through the third machine. Out of them, how many are coming out? This 1 minus 2 by 100 are coming out, and as a result this is the final value that I am getting. I didn't solve it because it will become big. Now what I'm asked to find out, I'm asked to find out what is the effective rate of interest. Effective, what is the effective, what is the rejection rate, what is the effective rejection rate? So A is the number of articles that has been finally obtained as okay product. Okay, P is the number of articles that were inserted into the testing machine. So I need to find out what is the difference between P and A. P is the number of articles which were inserted into the testing machine. A is the number of articles that I got. The difference is the number of articles that got rejected. Yes or no? So P minus A by P into 100%. So P minus this thing divided by P. So P taken common, cancelled out. So 1 minus this whole thing into 100%. So I got 16.21%. Did you understand?
Understood. Yes, sir. Yes.
Ishika?
Understood.
Yes, sir.
So can you just explain this last one? P
Yes.
minus A by P 200, that one.
Yes. So see, this A is what? A is the number of finally passed out product. Okay. So this is machine 1, machine 2, machine 3. So here I am passing P, out of which some got rejected and enter into the second one. Out of which some got rejected, enter into the second one. What is the final? I got A. This A is this thing. So many percentages multiplied on P is the final A. I need to find out what is the effective rejection rate. Effective rejection rate, that means A is how much percentage less than P. One single percentage. Okay, here 3 percentages are given. I need to find out that one single percentage by which A is less than P. P is the number of articles that were inserted, A is the number of articles that are passed. So the difference between these two is what? Rejection, right? The difference between these two is rejection. So P
Understood.
minus A by P into 100%, that is going to give me, this calculation is quite, I mean, India, I cannot do anything, this one we have to do. Okay, and that is going to give me 16.21.
Okay, sir. Good.
So next day we are going to start with Arun Sharma. Okay, so Ishika, tomorrow
Okay, sir.
9:30
Okay.
a.m. Okay, tell me, Neeraj, tomorrow 9:30 a.m. will you be able to join, or you have office?
So office I have.
Okay, fine. Then tomorrow, Ishika, we will do
Sir,
Arun
can
Sharma. Okay, because
sir, can you give the timing tomorrow at 3?
9:30, 9:30,
The 9:30 will not be possible
9,
for me.
not possible.
For tomorrow, it's not possible.
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
Sir, for tomorrow, it's not possible. You
Okay,
can,
okay.
if you want, you can keep it from 8 a.m.
No, tomorrow I have class from 8 to 9:30. That is the reason.
Okay, sir, so I'll join.
I cannot hear you. Half of the word is going away. Okay, you let me know. Okay, whether you're going to join or not.
Sir, I'll text you later.
Sure, sure, no problem. And সুব্রতন 180 হয়েছে? হ্যালো সুপ্রতিম।
sir.
Okay, Niladri and Ishika, if you don't have any questions, then for today you can drop off. Okay, and then we will again meet on Friday, Niladri, with you.
Sir, thank
Okay, in the following figure, ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. Okay, AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, and AB is 9, CD is 12, AP is to PD, is to PQ, 1 is to Q, find PQ. Achha. Hmm. ঠিক আছে সুপ্রতিম, এটা পরের দিন দেখছি। এখান থেকে স্টার্ট করবো তাহলে পরের দিন।
অঙ্কটা কিছু বুঝতে পারলাম না, মানে কি বলতে চাইছে।
এটা সিমিলারিটিজ আমার দেখে যা মনে হচ্ছে।
আমার মনে হচ্ছে ডি।
ডি 4.5। ঠিক আছে, এটা বুঝতে হবে। CD12 isosceles trapezium। ট্রাপিজিয়াম হচ্ছে two opposite sides are parallel but not equal. Or isosceles means over here AD is equals to BC and also these base angles are equal. ঠিক আছে, এটা পরের দিনকে দেখবো, আজকে অনেক রাত হয়ে গেছে। তাহলে এখানে রাখছি আজকে, ঠিক আছে?
আচ্ছা।